Have you ever wondered why your Windows drive keeps losing space even when you haven't installed anything new? The truth is, Windows stores a lot of temporary data behind the scenes. And over time, those files can pile up and take up a surprising amount of storage. The good news is that you don't need any third-party cleaner, paid software, or complicated tools to get rid of them. In the next couple of minutes, I'll show you 3 hidden locations where Windows stores unnecessary files and how you can safely clear them out. Before we start deleting anything, here's a quick explanation of what's happening. Whenever you launch a program, Windows creates small files designed to help that program open faster in the future. But many times you uninstall that software, but its files are still sitting there and taking space. Windows also generates temporary files during software installations, updates, and various system tasks. These files are meant to be temporary, but many of them remain on your computer long after they're no longer needed. So, let's start cleaning them up. I will suggest to grab your PC and follow all steps with me. First, we'll clear the prefetch folder. Press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Many people go to their File Explorer to find prefetch folder, but it's too complicated. Simply type prefetch in the Run box and press Enter. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Continue or Yes. This will directly open your prefetch folder. The prefetch folder stores temporary startup data for programs you've used before. Windows can recreate these files automatically if needed. So it's safe to clear them occasionally if you want to remove unnecessary cached data. Once the folder opens, click anywhere inside it. Then press Ctrl+A or simply drag to select all of them. After that, press Shift+Delete to permanently remove the selected files. That means you don't have to delete them from Recycle Bin. This will remove all of them completely. Some files may refuse to delete because Windows is actively using them. That's completely normal. Simply click Skip and allow the process to continue. Once that's done, we can move to the second location. Open the Run dialog again by pressing Windows +R. This time, type Temp and press Enter. If prompted, approve the administrator permission request. This will open Temp folder. This folder stores temporary system files created by various applications and Windows processes. Many of these files are no longer needed once the task that created them has finished. Press Ctrl+A or drag to select everything inside the folder. Then press Shift+Delete to delete them permanently. Click Continue if it asks for permission. And that's it, our second location is also cleaned. Now, let's clean the third location. This is also a temp folder, but usually it has a lot more files and folders than previous one. Press Windows +R once again to open Runbox. This time, type %temp% and press Enter. This opens your personal temporary files folder. Here, you'll often find leftovers from software installations, updates, application crashes, and other temporary activities that have accumulated over time. Select everything using Ctrl+A, or simply by dragging. As you can see, this folder contains thousands of files and folders. And then press Shift and Delete to delete them. As before, if Windows says some files are currently being used, just click Skip and Continue. That's it. We've now cleaned all 3 major temporary file locations. Now, it's time for the bonus tip. Instead of manually cleaning these folders every few weeks, you can let Windows do most of the work automatically using Storage Sense. For that, open Settings. Go to System, then Storage, and click on Storage Sense. Now, turn it on. You can also configure its settings. Here, you can choose how often you want Storage Sense to run automatically. Personally, I usually leave it on the default setting, but you can change it to whatever works best for you. Below that, you'll see an option for cleaning up files in your recycle bin. You can set Windows to automatically remove files that have been sitting there for 30 days, 60 days, or any option you prefer. You'll also find a setting for your Downloads folder. This allows Windows to automatically delete files that haven't been used for a certain amount of time. Once you've finished configuring everything, scroll down and click Run Storage Sense now. Windows will immediately perform a cleanup using the settings you selected. And from now on, it will continue doing these cleanups automatically in the background. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've cleaned 3 of the most common locations where Windows stores unnecessary temporary files. And we've also set up Storage Sense to help keep things clean automatically going forward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips, tricks, and simple tutorials that can help you get the most out of your PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.